Hey guys, Troy Moldy here with TM Listings, and I'm here with Jeremy Peterson, but he just stepped out for a minute and he's with Remax Results, and we're doing a quick monthly outreach. And the topic that I want to talk about today is open houses. It's a huge opportunity for real estate agents. If you're looking to pick up buyers, you can do open home at HUD Homes. You don't have to have it within your brokerage. Just reach out to the listing agent and ask if you can do the open home. A lot of times the real estate agent will even promote that open house on the MLS, so you'll get a lot more exposure and traffic. And because so many buyers are curious about buying HUD home properties, it creates more interest and activity. So that's all I have for you guys today. What I would do is just look for HUD Home Store, go to hudhomestore.com, select the area that you're looking for, the city or what have you, or you can go by county. And if you're an agent looking to get some more buyers, do open homes with HUD Homes. And you can reach out to me at troy@hudinfo.net, or you can reach out to jeremy@hudinfo.net. And if you want to do an open home on one of our listings, we'd love to work with you. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you guys next time.